the sea grapes. Ooh, look at that, look at that. Do you know what this is? Greetings from Okinawa. We are here at Potama, which is one of our favorite places to get breakfast. Potama is famous for their pork tamago onigiri. It's an Okinawan specialty. It's a must for whoever decides to come to Okinawa. I mean, please just go. They're always very crowded. We always come to the main shop, the original shop in Naha, and it's our favorite shop. Every Potama shop has their own like a specialty, at least one selection that you can only get at their shop. Anyway, I'm here with Lawrence, my friend Michael, and Satoshi. So we're gonna be eating some delicious pork tamago onigiri sandwiches. I've already got us some seats here. There's a small eating area right here. Look at this line here. It's actually not too bad. It was about a 30-minute wait, but the last time we were here, the line extended all the way back here. So we had to wait an entire hour. This is the eating area, and we got some seats. So let's go eat. All right, we got a couple of drinks. This is a sampincha, which is a jasmine tea. And then this is Lawrence's one. This is the one with local deep-fried tofu and miso, spam, and tamagoyaki, of course. Satoshi got the Goya bitter melon, and I got umibudo, the sea grapes.
So we are here. We have waited at least an hour for this breakfast. So I hope it's worth waiting 1 hour, right? So, a few choices, but I've chosen the tofu, miso, so many layers, right? So I'm ready. So how do I eat it? By the way, I eat it like this.
Yes.
One bite. It's really good. You see the miso and the tofu. I found that the tofu is different in Okinawa, and the spam and the egg. Good. It's still warm. Oh, I like it. So they eat it like breakfast or lunch or anything, all meal.
Look, do you know what this is? This is bitter melon, Goya. Goya, deep fried Goya, tempura. I love Potama. Every time I come to Okinawa, we eat Potama. いただきます。The tempura is crispy, sakutto. The bitter is not super bitter, so it has good accent. It's combined with this pork umami nicely. It's balanced, well balanced. Every time I spend so happy time here. And like I said, I got the umibudo, which is the sea grapes. And if you're wondering where my friend Michael is, well, he is there. He is hovering above all of us. So this is what I got, the sea grapes. Ooh, look at that, look at that. Okay. Itadakimasu. Oh my god. I just cannot get enough of this. I really cannot. I have to have this at least once when I come here. Sometimes I have it 2-3 times. So ridiculously good. The spam gives it the nice saltiness. The egg makes it mellow. And then my sea grapes also has a natural brininess. Rice is cooked perfectly. Nori holds it all together. Delicious. Definitely must try when you come to Okinawa. As you can see, everyone's enjoying their meal. Yes, good.
Very, very good.
Very good. Is it satisfying?
Very satisfying.
Very satisfying. Yeah, Goya's good, isn't it?
Very
I-
nice.
yeah.
Very nice.
I never liked bitter melon until I came to Okinawa. They just do it so good. So this is where we're eating. This whole area is in this old marketplace kind of area. And I love the vibe here. Like right across, you can see this old movie sign here, like a hand-drawn movie sign, which I love. Shops are just starting to open up. It's actually starting to rain. And there's another like old movie poster on this side here. So I really like this retro vibe of the entire area, and that is the restaurant, Potama, right there. And it is starting to rain. Anyway, definitely check this place out next time you're in Okinawa. It's absolutely one of our favorite breakfast spots in the city. As I said, I have to come here at least once, most of the time twice or 3 times. Check it out. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.